Good morning to everyone. My name is K. Madhavi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Anamacharya Institute of Technology and Science, Tirupati. So today I will discuss about the Model 4. Model 4. So what is the Model 4? Is just we have to. This is model 3. Model 3 is the single channel and model 4 is the multi-channel. Okay, is the difference between the model 3 and model 4. So, model 3 is single channel, model 4 is multi-channel. Here, we have to discuss about the multi-channel unrestricted queue with infinite population. Okay, that is multi-server unrestricted queue with infinite population. Here, the notation symbols or intimation for what is the capital N and what is the K and what is the P of N. Here, small n. Here, N is the number of customers in the system and P of N is the probability of n customers in the system. And what is the K is number of parallel service channel. And what is the lambda is arrival rate and mu is the service rate. Okay, once again, what is the N is? N is the number of customers in the system. P of N. P of N is the probability of n customers in the system. And K is number of parallel service channel. Lambda is arrival rate of customers and mu is the service rate of individual channel. Okay. So what is the relationship in this model? We have to use the what is the relationship? That is the relationship. So the problem is no customers are ideal. We have to use the formula is P naught is equal to summation n is equal to k minus 1 by n factorial, lambda by mu whole power n plus 1 by k factorial, lambda by mu whole power k into 1 by 1 minus lambda by k mu. That is whole power minus 1. Okay, so here that is no customers or ideal. So what is the next information is the probability that has n units. This is two cases will be arises. What is the two cases? N less than k and n greater than k. If n less than k means you have to use the, what is the n less than k means? That is the symbolically related. What is the n? N is number of customers less than number of parallel service. Number of customers less than number of parallel service means we have to use the P of n is equal to lambda by mu whole power n by n factorial into P naught. So that is n less than, n is the greater than k. We have to use the formula that is P of n is equal to lambda by mu whole power n by k factorial into k power n minus k P naught. N greater than k. Okay. So what is the probability that customers to wait? That is, what is the probability that customers has to wait? So that is, the formula is the probability that customer has to wait. The formula is Pn greater than or equal to k, that is equal to 1 by k factorial lambda by mu whole power k, that is 1 by 1 minus lambda by k mu into P naught. So what is the next thing is, what is the average length of the waiting in the queue? So that is average queue length or expected number of customers. That is symbolically represented as LQ. That is lambda by mu into lambda by mu whole power k by k minus 1 factorial into k mu minus lambda whole square into k naught. That is average queue length. Average queue length is LQ is equal to lambda mu into lambda by mu whole power k by k minus 1 factorial into k minus mu minus lambda whole square into p naught. So what is the next formula? The formula is the average number of customers in the system. The average number of customers in the system. The formula is L of S is equal to lambda into mu into lambda by mu whole power k by k minus 1 factorial into k mu minus lambda whole square p naught plus lambda. Here same LQ formula is same, but plus adding the row lambda by mu. Symbolically that is LQ plus lambda by mu. Here the average number of customers in the system. So what is the next thing? The average waiting time. The average waiting time in the queue. So what is the average waiting time in the queue? So the formula is WQ is equal to mu into lambda by mu whole power k by k minus 1 factorial into k mu minus lambda whole square into p naught. Otherwise, you have to use the formulas WS minus 1 by mu or LQ by lambda, depends upon the situation. Here, average time. So that is average time. So average time spent in the system means WS is equal to LS by lambda or by use this formula. And finally, we have to, what is the utilization for rate? Mu rho is equal to lambda by k mu. Here, so the formulas are included in the 8 formulas. First, we have to calculate the ideal customer, that is P naught. The next one is the probability that n units, that is n less than k and n greater than k. Next, the customers to wait. Their formula is third one. Next one, the average queue length in the customer. So LQ. Next, average number of customers in the system. L of S. So next one is average waiting time, that is WQ. So next, the average time in arrival spent in the system, WS. And finally, the utilization rate, rho is equal to lambda by k mu. Okay, so here we have to observe. So a tax consulting, what is the question? This is multi-server. So the question is, here we have to explain the question. What is the given here? First, we have to take a tax consulting firm has 4 service stations in the office to receive people who have problems and complaints about their income, wealth, and sales taxes. So, okay, the arrival average 100% in 10 hours service day. Each tax advisor spends an irregular amount of time servicing the arrivals, which have been found to have an exponential distribution. The average service time is 20 minutes calculate the P naught, LQ, LS, WQ and WS. So next P of n greater than or equal to K. First we have to write down the given information. So here what is the lambda? Lambda is given. So that is first, that is the lambda is given average persons in 10 hours. That is lambda is equal to 10 hours. And what is the K? Here K is the force service station. That is indication for K. What is the mu? Here mu is the time service rate 20 minutes. Into 3 means 60 hours. So we have to convert into 3 means 60 hours. That is lambda is equal to 3. What is the rho? Lambda by K mu. So we have to multiple of this is the rho value. First, the probability of no customers or ideals. First, we have to calculate P naught. What is the P naught formula? So here, first formula, ideal or P no customer. The first formula is P naught is equal to this formula. So same formula we have to substitute the given information. So what is that? Here, substitute n is equal to n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0 means, so n is equal to 0. So that is here 1. Next n is equal to 1 means they will get 10 by 3, and n is equal to 2 means they will get this value, and n is equal to 3. That is k is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Here this value is 3 up to 3 value. So next the value substitute this one. This is the 1 by 24, 10 by 3 whole power 4. So this the information you have to use this formula P naught. They will calculate the value. So this is the P naught. So here the first thing is, this is we have to calculate this the P naught. So next we have to calculate this 1 by 1 minus lambda by K. That is whole power inverse. They will get the value is 0.0208. Next we have to calculate the average Q length. So average Q length. The average Q length formula is the average Q length, WQ. So the average Q length formula is WQ is equal to mu into lambda by Q. So mu into lambda by Q whole power K minus 1 factorial into K mu minus lambda whole square into P naught. In the same formula, we have to substitute in the information. So they will get so that is substitute this formula. We have to substitute lambda and mu and K values. They will get 3.234 customers. Next, we have to substitute what is the formula of average number of customers. Average number of customers means LQ plus lambda by Q. So we have to see that L of S, LQ plus lambda by mu. So this is the formula, that is average number of customers in the system. So substitute the same thing, have to, that is the information. So L of S is equal to L of S is equal to L of Q plus lambda by mu. So next, average time a customer waits in the system, that is WQ is equal to LQ by lambda. Substitute LQ and lambda value, they will get the solution. Next, what is this is so average time a customers spends in the system means LS by lambda. Next, the probability that customer has wait. The probability has customer has wait. So we have to observe the formula is, that is, so WQ is equal to this is the information. The formula we have to use this one. The average, the probability has customers to wait n less than or equal to, that is n greater than or equal to k. So n greater than or equal to k means this has the this is the formula 3. Probability that the customer has to wait n greater than or equal to k is equal to 1 by k factorial lambda by mu whole power k 1 by 1 minus lambda by k mu into p naught. Substitute the above values in the formula. They will get the, so the probability of customer has to wait. Next, the information is, so the next problem. So the next problem is, what is the given? The problem is, a telephone exchange has two long distance operators, that is K will be given 2. It is observed that during the peak load, long distance calls arrive in a Poisson distribution, that is the average rate, that is 15 per hour. The length of the service on these calls is approximately exponentially distributed with mean length, that is 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you have to substitute the minutes in second 60 by 5, that is 12. So what is the information? What is the probability that a subscriber will have to wait for his long distance call during the peak hours of the day? So that is, already we know that what is the P naught. So that is, the formula is, what is the probability that the subscriber will have to wait his long distance? That is, the formula is, we have to use the P naught. P naught is equal to, that is, P naught is equal to, P naught is equal to, P naught is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to k minus 1, that is whole inverse minus 1. So in the same formula, we have to use the above information. P naught is equal to. So we have to substitute the n is equal to 0 and 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we have to the value k is equal to 2 and lambda is equal to 15 and mu is equal to 12. So they will get the value is, so 3 by 30. So first we have to calculate P naught. After, the probability that the subscriber we have to wait is given by, so that is, the formula is, weight is given by, so that is, weight is given, the probability that customer has to wait is given by P of n greater than k is equal to 1 by k factorial lambda by mu whole power k 1 by 1 minus lambda by k mu into p naught. So this is the information. We have to substitute the given problem. So that is, so substitute lambda, k, mu, k values, they will get the 0.481. So what is the next thing? Expected waiting time. So here expected waiting time is WQ is equal to LQ by lambda. So what is the LQ? LQ is the formula for lambda mu into lambda by mu whole power k minus 1 factorial. So that is k mu minus lambda whole square into p naught. So they will get the LQ value. LQ value substitute WQ. That is, W is Q is equal to LQ by lambda. So they will get the WQ value. So what is the next question? Third one. The third one is, a bank has A bank has two tellers working on saving account. The first teller handles with withdrawals only. The second teller handles deposit only. It has been found that the service time distribution for the both depositors and withdrawals are exponentially with mean service time. That is, service time is given mu is equal to 3 minutes or 20 hours. That is 20 into 60 means minutes or 20 hours. So what is the lambda mean arrival rate? 40. Okay. So what we have to ask the what would be the effect on the average waiting time for depositors and withdrawals if each teller could handle both withdrawals and depositors? What could be the effect if this could be accomplished by increasing the mean service time of 3.5 minutes? So the average time, the given information here, initially we have two independent querying system for withdrawals and depositors with input as Poisson distribution and service as exponential distribution. And lambda is given, that is 14 per hour, and mu is given 3 minutes, and WQ, what is the average waiting time? Average waiting time, the formula is WQ is equal to lambda by mu into mu minus lambda. So substitute the all lambda and mu values, they will get the 7 hours or 7 minutes. So for depositors, average waiting time in Q is WQ is equal to lambda by mu of mu minus lambda. So lambda by mu of mu minus lambda. So substitute lambda and mu values, they will get the 1 by 5 hours, or you have to convert into 60, that is 12 minutes. Okay, so here if each teller could handle with withdrawals and depositors, we have a common queue with two services. The queuing system is those with two service channels. That is, lambda is equal to 14 plus, what is the 16? 16 is, that is 14. 14 is the given question, and 16. That is 16. So 16 per hour. So both will be added, that is 30 hours, and mu is 20. So the average waiting time is WQ is equal to LQ by lambda. What is the LQ? This is the formula LQ. So what is the P naught? P naught is equal to this the formula for P naught. So for K is equal to 2, K is equal to 2, substitute the P naught, they will get 1 by 7. What is the average waiting time? The formula is WQ is equal to LQ by lambda. So what is the LQ? What is the LQ? So LQ is 1.93 and WQ is substitute LQ after that by lambda. So lambda is 30, they will get the WQ. So the combined waiting time which increase service rate, that is P naught is equal to, substitute the lambda and mu values, they will get the info. The waiting time, the arrivals in the queue, that is WQ is equal to LQ by lambda. So this is the information to calculate the values. Okay. In the same This the formula is in queuing theory, formula basic problem. This is the fourth problem. The what we have to, so he asked the fourth problem. The a branch of State Bank of India has only one typist. Since the typing work varies in length, number of passages to be typed. The typing rate is randomly distributed, approximating a Poisson distribution with the mean service rate of 8 letters per hour. The letter arrive at a rate of 5 hours during the entire 8 hours per day. If the waiting time cost of the letter is 15 per hour, find the average system time and the total lost time cost. So there is a possibility of either installing an additional typewriter of the same type or replacing the present one by better and faster typewriter. The data are given below. So what is the service rate and the first present type 8, that is, so daily rental is this the rental cost with present type and proposed type. So what is the solution? Lambda is given, 5 hours, mu is given. The average system with present typewriter, WS is equal to 1 by mu minus lambda. That is the 1 by 3. So here lost time, that is, so total cost per day, that is rental cost or lost time cost. So both, that is the total cost per day means total cost, the proposed cost or and the lost time cost. Both are will be added. They will get the total cost. So next, additional typewriter of same type. So to calculate the waiting time in the system of two machines, first let us find out the P naught. What is the P naught formula? This is the P naught formula. So after calculating the P naught, so they will get the this value. So expected wait time in the system, that is WS is equal to LS by lambda. So that is expected waiting time in the system. So what is the LS? LQ plus lambda by Q. So what is the LQ? The LQ is lambda mu into lambda by mu whole power k by k minus 1 factorial into k mu minus lambda whole square into p naught. So all values will be substituted. The total cost per day is renewal cost of two typists plus cost of lost type. So total cost will be, hence it is less expensive to use proposed cost type. So all that is the model 4 is multi-server. So those problems are examples to solution of the information. Okay. So this the, if this is the model 4 model. Okay. So this is the 3 or 4 problems will be explained. So this the so many models, that is the 3 or 4 problems. Okay. Okay. Thank you.